it turned out to be a girl.
Good morning. My name is Ryan and I'm going to talk about how I became a cat mom. Once upon a time, I and my sister wanted a pet really bad. Seeing our cousins Ricky and Rhea, who has a variety of pets, we badly wanted to be a pet owner too. But you know what? It was very difficult to convince our parents. It took us 2 years to convince them by doing all the hard work and crying that they demanded. But my mom agreed to the pet, but with conditions. We have to convince our dad. We are solely responsible for the pet. We have to take from our pocket money to buy food for the pet. Very, very important clause in the condition that she will name the pet. With her by our side, we started looking for pets. Mom was not a dog person, so which led us to the idea of cats. I still remember there are varieties of cats: Siberian, Indie, Persian, Himalayan. I fell in love with Persian. I still remember December 1st of 2022, our first pet reaching home, orange tabby cat famously known as Ginger. Mom named it Loki after the famous Norse god. Loki was just 2 months old. Loki was vomiting and Loki used to hide under the couch for the first few weeks. Loki was just a little small fur ball. One day he had vomiting. I was very worried and cried all night. And then we had to take him to the vet. I was still scared for him because of the injection and prick. Loki was also scared. I could feel his pain. Loki also was very scared of us and didn't get used to us. And for Loki, it was new environment. For me, it was new pet. After 7 days, Loki got used to us. My mom was wondering, with her job, how could she handle Loki? Then she let us, me and my sister, handle the pets. Loki at first was scared and used to run away from us. But for 2 days he did not eat. I was casually telling my mom about Loki, who wasn't eating at all for 2 days. She said, "Welcome to my world." That is when it struck me that I am behaving like a mom. I have become responsible because of my pet and also become responsible because of my pet. I realized you don't need to be a woman to be a mom. Being a mom is how you feel and want to protect them. I am Ryan Ravin, cat mom. Thank you.